Vanakkam, goodwill to all and goodwill from all is the basis of peace and harmony. Good food, good family, good friends, goodwill for all. It should be the base. So the same சமையல்ல என்னோட குரு இதம் இங்கீதம் பதம் பக்குவம் அப்படின்னு சொல்வார். இப்போது விருந்தினர்களோட வருகை அது மாதிரி என்னோட ஹஸ்பண்ட் எப்பவும் சொல்கிறது என்ன சமைக்கிறோங்கிறத விட யாருக்காக சமைக்கிறோங்கிறத பொறுத்து தான் அந்த சமையலோட சுவையும் மனமும் அமையும்னு சொல்வார். அவங்களோட சுபாவத்தை ஒட்டி. ஸோ அது ப்ராக்டிக்கலாக இட் இஸ் அ கிரேட் ட்ரூத். தட்ஸ் நம்பர் ஒன். And as I told, Priya's Kitchen Facebook page has been running for a while. So now I'm moving into as technology moves on, we also need to move according to the tides. So this is a YouTube channel titled Priya's Kitchen. The first, we are going to take a virtual flight to New York, land in a Thai cuisine. So from there, let us move on how I learnt from the recipes there. That is number one. And Thailand is very famous for its beautiful display of colors, fruits, people, vibrancy, nature, water, whatnot. And USA is famous for so many things. And thanks to my sister-in-law, Mrs. Srividya Lakshmi Narayanan, and family for the great hospitality. And this particular series of videos, or rather photos or menu, this is a starter point on my birthday which we celebrated in New York. So gratitude to all who are behind this journey, and gratitude to my husband first for giving me an opportunity to see the vibrancy of culture around the world in international cuisine. So today we are going to go for a Thai cuisine based in New York. And what I noticed there is the people are more disciplined in the restaurant. I mean, the cooking was very clean, the taste was perfect, and the vibrancy and the rhythm of service were superfluous, and the ingredients used were quite, it showed the taste of each and every vegetable added in the cuisine. And they have a separate method for cooking their food. And mainly the ingredients consist of capsicum, pineapple, and then baby corn, tomato, and leafy veggies. So, and also one more, they have pineapple rice which will be coming after this. So first we are entering Thai pineapple stew. So originally the recipe served there was pineapple fried rice, or rather pineapple rice, which are green and a red curry. Everything is cooked in the base of the coconut milk. I just invented some more things and just shuffled the ingredients and the method of cooking here and there. So I just satisfy the taste buds of both the South Indian and the Thai cuisine. That is the story of this recipe, Thai pineapple stew. This was further enhanced by participating in one of the cookery competitions which is organized by a prestigious Indian center here. So gratitude to Indian Social and Cultural Center, the Management Committee, the IWF Women's Forum for the opportunity. And this is a blend of Thai and Indian culture. So there I learnt there are so many talents. We have to learn more. So as I told always, I'm a learner. I have more to learn, correct, perfect, and perform. So having all the technology in our hand, including the hand mixer and the blender, the cutter, the fridge and the oven and the cooking range and etc., what not. We doing this is not a miracle, or it's not a big work or task at all. I humbly salute all my seniors, my mothers, my mother-in-law's side, my grandmothers and great grandmothers who had no facility at all in the kitchen side, but we have witnessed them cooking for a larger range of people with a perfect rhythm and harmony and a submissive nature, and the love and care they serve, and all we call in the corporate standbys of that common sense and harmony and share and care, everything has been practiced by them in the past. So it is this time we have to rewind to those basics and start learning. So now we are going to go to an international cuisine through a virtual meet. Thank you so much. If you feel this channel carries some interesting stuff for you, please kindly like, share and subscribe. More grace to follow. Priya Mahesh for Priya's Kitchen. Thank you.